it's Megan here with Megabucksavingz. Today I'm going to share with you guys where I'm at in my basement renovations. I currently have a basement bathroom renovation going on, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I do a lot of DIYs, refurbishing things, decorating my home, ways to save money, just all sorts of things. I'm doing pretty good with this basement bathroom and laundry room makeover. So today I'm going to share with you guys where I'm at in the basement renovations. So currently I have a bathroom that needs renovated, that all we're waiting to do is this bathroom shower, and then it'll be complete. I'll still have some like little things here and there to fix and to kind of make cozy and things like that and ready to use. And then I have in my laundry room, I have a half of a wall that I had to rebuild. I don't know if you heard that, but it was a motorcycle. I have half of a wall in my laundry room, which is right here next to me on the other side of this bathroom. And so I have the wall up, and I'll show you guys here. I didn't walk you guys through putting the wall up because it really wasn't the best process. Basically used already cut drywall. The contractor that did this bathroom, he was able to give me some remnant pieces that he had on hand in his garage or wherever he had in his storage for all of his supplies and stuff that he has. He gave me all of those, so I just kind of patched everything up using those pieces, and fortunately I had enough. But I know it wasn't like a professional way to do it, and being my first time doing it on my own, I've done it before helping people, but I was doing it with brand new slabs and not cutting and finding little pieces to kind of go and fix this half wall. I could have redone the whole wall. I could have hired a contractor. I could have hired the contractor I used to do this, but I just wanted to find ways to save money. Unfortunately, he hadn't used those extra drywall pieces, so he was able to give those to me. So I'll show you guys here in a second where I'm at with the basement laundry room side. I will kind of walk you through as well what I decided to do in the laundry room. I'm kind of winging it. I'm really not sure because on this side of the bathroom, I have kind of like that stucco cement, like feathered cement look, and then the floor is like a black pebble. And I'll link below in my other videos where I've shared the bathroom progress to show you guys what I'm talking about. Eventually that tiling, the pebbles will go all the way throughout the laundry room, but I was just focused on getting this bathroom finished, which I really need to do. And I have some tile that I found on the curb, and I'm going to incorporate that in this bathroom. So it's just going to be like a little Monet kind of here, brick back behind me, Monet, I don't know what it's called, probably more of a mosaic, tiling back behind here, and then the rest will be a different color, which I'll purchase. So I'm going a totally different route than what I started out with, which was just a basic subway tile, a white subway tile, and then I was going to do a black subway tile, and long story short, now that I found this, I got a new inspiration, and so I'm hoping everything kind of blends together, but I'll show you guys what I'm going to do here in the bathroom, and hoping it all will formulate and come together. I'm not going to finish this whole entire laundry room quite yet. It won't be until next year that I probably will finish it. I do need to put a wall up against the cement wall, finish that out. And then I have plans to try to maybe do like a sliding wood door into the laundry room, so that way the door is not like hanging open in the hallway or hanging open in the laundry room, because it's kind of a weird space right there. I think that would be the coolest, the best option for the space, but again, that's not going to be for down the road. Let's walk through where we're at, and then walk through what still needs to be done. So all my walls are textured in my basement, so I thought I would just kind of bring that into the laundry room. This wall was already textured, and so I just added some texture to it, and then this wall I still need to texture, so we will be working on that. So on the other side of the wall, I do already have the wall up, and it is already mudded and everything and primed, so I just have to paint this. And I do still have to take this trim and cut it down and prime it and paint it. Now we're just gonna work on texturizing this wall. I've already, again, texturized the other side of the wall and then the hallway wall as well. So here's just what I have to do and have left. So I'm not going to texturize above the doorway or around it. I'm not really focused on that part because I will be putting up some pine wood and staining that for the entrance because I'm not putting up a door. There's going to be a shower curtain there, and hopefully I'll start working on that here in the next couple of weeks. But eventually there will be a ceiling in here and then a wall where that window is, and then the window is going to get replaced as well. But I'm not focused on this side of the laundry room as of yet. I'm just getting done what I can get done while I have these tools out and while I have the product out, so I'm not having to do this more than once or twice or whatever. So I am just trying to save myself some time and doing it all at once while I can, because I don't think I'm going to texturize the back wall, because I think I'm going to put some storage up above the washer and dryer. There is some temporary shelving that was here when I moved into the house, but eventually that will come down because it's not kind of the space isn't just a functional space, if that makes sense, but we're making do with what we have right now and we're making it function. So I do want some kind of ideas, as I wasn't sure what color to paint this. I wasn't sure if I just should bring the basement color in here into this laundry room. The tile that will be in the shower will be kind of like the first visual piece, and the shower curtain will just always be kind of tucked up into the corner of the shower. And so I want to bring the color in the bathroom out here in the laundry room, but I definitely think that the basement color as well can kind of go just as good. But I'm kind of thinking of doing either a very, very, very dark brown or just doing kind of a lighter black but not gray, if that makes sense. So what do you guys think? If you guys can leave some feedback below, if you made it this far through the video, thank you. But I would love to have some feedback of what you think I should do. If you should think I should do like a very dark brown, or if I should do kind of a black color, because the tiles in the shower will be kind of the brown, black, and blue, like a very deep colors. So let me know what you guys think. But now I'm gonna just go ahead and paint this wall while the bathroom is drying out for what I just did with the texturizing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and paint this because this has all been done already and has already actually dried. So I'm just gonna go ahead and match. I just did a color match because I had run out of paint, so I just did a color match. I kept the color of the paint on top of I kept the lid to the paint can because I had lost the swatch, but I ended up finding it, and thankfully they were able to color match it just perfectly. So keep your color swatches if you guys ever have to buy new paint, because that helps. And then just write what it is for on the little tester paper. But here's where I'm at. I got this board cut down. I forgot to paint here, so I have to go back and paint this, but I got the board cut down. I got this wall texturized. The other wall is texturized. So now I just need to take all of the caulking off of the old board that I had repurposed and reused. I didn't buy a new one because it was pine and it didn't get ruined in the water damage that had gotten caused on the wall because it was pine. So that was really great. I just washed it up, and after I took all the caulk off, but you'll see here in a little bit, I just took a little knife and cut down the old caulking. I just worked really slowly across the way as I was taking it off, so I didn't take off any wood, and so I didn't cut myself, and so I just cleaned this up and primed it. So that completes where I'm at in the process. I am really anxious to get this all done, but there's been just so much going on. So I just really haven't had a good chance to kind of focus and get this stuff done. And so I am going to be also finishing up the little bar area, countertop, and the basement kitchen. And I got that piece cut, the rust butcher block countertop cut this last weekend, so I need to get the leg cut down to size and hopefully get that installed. And then I still need to find a carpet contractor that would be able to fix the carpet pieces that were missing after the old bar came out. And so and then I have to fix the hallway going from the outside of the laundry room, that hallway going up the stairs where I had to pull the underlayment, the padding, and the brackets that held the carpet down. I don't even know what those are called, tack boards. And so I have to get all of that redone and just have a patchwork done over there in the kitchen and then over here in the hallway. I don't want to attempt it myself just because I'm not experienced with it. I don't have the tools, and I just don't want to mess it up. I just want it to be good and nice and put in place, because I know somebody can do patchwork and make this all function, and then I'll be done with that area, which is super exciting. I can get bar stools underneath the little countertop area and it'll be super nice, and then I'll be, you know, where I want to be at with the laundry room. And then so the next project would be finishing this tile job, which I've never done on my own before. I've done flooring jobs, but I've never done wall tiling jobs. I've helped people and kind of watched people get stuff done, but I've never actually cut tile and hung it for wall purposes. I used tile cutters before, like the little handheld cutters. I think I want to use a saw this time. I'm not quite sure what I want to do yet, but I really hope you guys liked this video, and if you are new here, please consider subscribing. I do think you'll like my channel, and if you want to see some more of the basement renovation videos, they will be linked down below in the little comment area, not the comment, in the little description area. And I also have now my eBay shop that I just launched here a couple months ago, and I'm really excited about it. I think I've got over about 85 items in the eBay shop, and I've been doing pretty good so far. I do still have a lot of things to learn about the process, but if you guys have any questions or would like to leave any positive feedback down in the comments below, I would greatly appreciate it. Any new supporters and any returning supporters joining my channel, I really do appreciate you hanging out, watching this video, and I hope you guys have a great one. Thanks for watching. Bye!